What's happening, guys? We back. It is the next day. I wanted to bring you guys some more daytime clips and some clips with the GoPro, just kind of cruising around so you can hear it. This is not a cold start. I did drive the car earlier, so it's not going to be a cold start. But she sounds good, man. For just literally a catback, it sounds really, really good. Pretty much the rest of the day, we're just getting you guys some ISF clips so you guys can hear how this thing is sounding before we do the headers. All right, man. Now you guys can really hear how this thing's sounding. Sounds so good. I mean, I would say this almost sounds perfect, but 100% this car needs headers just for the extra gain. And I don't know if you guys have seen what ISF, damn, nice red light. I don't know if you guys have seen what OEM ISF headers look like. Bro, they look like G35 headers. The headers on this car are extremely restricted. They're so small. It looks like V6 headers, which is crazy. Sounds good. And once we put the PPE equal lanes, this thing's gonna sound insane. This thing has a really nice growl. G82. What's up, Doc? Bro, the fact that people hate on this car is crazy. Their guys are out of your mind. Yes, I get it. I understand it does kind of look like a base IS, but I feel like that kind of also makes it a little bit special too, because you look at it and you're kind of just like, just a regular IS, but then when you hear it, it's like, oh, whoa. Like, is that swapped or like, what's going on with that? In my opinion, I feel like the ISF don't get like the credit that they should get. I didn't really see it much before, but actually after owning one now, a lot of people hate on these cars. And I really just don't know why they would hate on it, because it's not like it looks bad. Even an IS250 and IS350, like, they're still nice looking cars. Except the IS250 that hit me, it was clapped out. But, you know, as far as, you know, taking care of the body style, they're really nice cars. I think after doing a few more things to this car, especially once we get the headers on and tune it, I think a lot of people are going to change their mind about this car and actually probably start looking at possibly buying one day. It happens to almost every car I buy. Someone out there, I inspire him to buy that car. Like, bro, M340s, they were not like really popular in California. But I'm not saying that everyone bought one because of me, but I inspired a lot of people to buy M340s. Because those are more people had them on the East Coast. But then after I got mine and, you know, did everything to it and started making a bunch of videos with it, I just felt like everyone started popping out with 340s like crazy. I wouldn't say every car has potential, but if you buy the right car, they definitely have potential. But this ISF sounds so good right now, though. It's like you have this little sedan, but this thing sounds crazy. Man, I ain't gonna lie, some Chick-fil-A do sound kind of good. I might have to run that. I ain't gonna lie to you. Alright guys, just left Best Buy. I pretty much got everything I need. I had to buy 2 separate pieces for this stupid tripod, $60 later. Crazy, man. Remember when like 60 bucks used to be so much money? Not anymore. windows up, guys. We don't even have them down right now. It's still a little hot outside, so. So what you want that dig? I just love the growl. Like, it's so it has a very deep tone, but it just growls so much. It's just like the car the whole time is just like, oh. Y'all going slow as balls. Stock power is not bad, but these things really open up once you tune them and do headers, so that's like mandatory. The way that the car sounds as of now, like this will just be a perfect, like, just everyday. You have a valve too if it's a little bit too much, or it drones. I still haven't driven it on the freeway to see how the drone is. I'm assuming around 2K it probably does have a little bit of drone, but I still need to compare that versus the muffler delete. The muffler delete had a little bit of drone at 2K. It wasn't like bad, but it was definitely like noticeable. Alright guys, hopefully this tripod does not fall over, and I need a new camera. But I'm gonna start it up. I'm gonna give you guys some revs with the valves closed, give you guys some revs with the valves open. I think I'm gonna find another spot right now that I can actually do like a pool down the street. So that way you guys can kind of hear how it sounds outside versus like in an enclosed area like this. So I'm gonna hop over to the GoPro and we're gonna find a spot for you guys. I thought I almost lost my controller. So here is the valve controller. It looks exactly like my Valvetronic one. Little Lambo key. So I think I'm gonna link this to this as well, so that way it's just so much easier. Like in the M4, just boop, done. So yeah, man, honestly, it sounds good, man. Once again, huge shout out to azoramotorsport. There's really nothing bad I can say about it. It sounds amazing. Quality overall looks great. They told me the fitment was like spot on. They didn't have to bend anything, they didn't have to cut anything. I would give a big +10 for the exhaust. Everything is working out great. I cannot wait to hear how this thing sounds with the headers. Crack the windows. Alright guys, that's probably going to bring it to the end of this video. I want to get another mic set up so I can put it on the rear of the car and get some exhaust noises like that. Also guys, I have a ghost mount for the back of the car, so I'm going to be bringing you guys some pretty dope content pretty soon with the ghost mount. I just need to buy the 360 cam. As far as the ISF and what is next, obviously headers are most likely going to be next. I told you guys we're going bigger lip on the front of the BBSs, so it'll look more like the rear. Look so much better. Not that it looks bad, it's just having a bigger lip will definitely make a big change with the front end. Obviously like carbon hood, more carbon parts, but all that's kind of like later. I'm more concerned about getting the headers on right now, so that's going to be my main priority for like the next week or two. Get the headers on, then obviously we're going to be getting this thing tuned. Yeah man, we'll be bringing you guys some more content coming with the F. Hope you guys are enjoying it so far. Throw some comments below. On that note guys, we're gonna be out of here. Be sure to drop the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. You guys already know there's more content on the way. Catch you guys in the next video. I'm out.